Okay, next checklist. Nothing available. Letter F, bunker. DW or domestic water.
Domestic water system intake valve should be open.
So domestic water system intake valve should be open.
Domestic water tank number 1 refilling valve should be open. Wait until domestic water tank number 1 is almost full.
So what's keeping? Susunod nating kakargahan pag napuno ito namang domestic water tank number 2. Pwede na natin i-trace yung linya, ayan. Pag hindi pa tayo sanay, para at least ready na kagad tayo.
Domestic water tank number 2 refilling valve should be open. Domestic water tank number 1, wait until domestic water tank number 2 is almost full.
So, laging ganun yung sistema. Bukas muna bago magsara para hindi ma-overpressure yung linyada. So, what's keeping?
Domestic water tank number 2 refilling valve should be closed. Domestic water system intake valve should be closed. Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
Okay, sarado na
You
natin.
can start the next checklist
So,
right now.
reviewin natin. Una, sabi checklist nating available pero nagkarga tayo ng MDO, HFO, LSF, lube oil, cylinder oil, and then domestic water. Ito yung mga consumable. So, tingnan natin. Fuel oil. Ayan. Ayan. Storage. So, meron na tayong MDO. Meron na tayong HFO. Ayan. The port tank, center tank, storage tank, starboard tank. And then the LSF tank. So, napaka-importante nun na alam natin sa isip natin na meron tayong mga consumable. Fuel oil ito. And then, sabi doon, lube oil, di ba? So, lube oil. Ito, punta tayo, lube oil. Lubricating oil. So, tingnan natin, lube oil system. So, ayun yung mga storage tank. So, yan. Susunod, sabi niya, domestic water. Tingnan natin dito sa compressed air. Ayun, yung domestic water. Ayun siya. So, napaka-importante na alam natin kung paano tayo magna-navigate sa simulator. Ayan. Kasi kung hindi, malilito. Kaya dahan-dahan talaga ang pagtuturo. So, meron tayong nakalimutan i-check pa yung cylinder oil. So, kumpleto na yung mga fuel oil, lube oil, at saka tubig natin.